Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about Ajax, what it is and how it can be used. Ajax stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML, and it is a technique used to make asynchronous requests to a server from a web page or application without having to reload the entire page. It effectively allows us to update parts of the website with data without having to disrupt the user behavior or the ability to send and request data from a server in such a way that it makes our websites interactive. Let's have an example where, let's say we have a social media website and we want to see new notifications without having to refresh the entire page. Ajax allows the website to make a request to the server, and in the background, it'll update just the notification sections of the page with the new data. Ajax works by using a combination of JavaScript and XML, but nowadays we use JSON, which is often used instead of XML. JSON, or the JavaScript object notation, it's a great way for us to pass and receive data when we're doing this sort of request. It is a powerful tool for creating interactive and dynamic web applications that provides a seamless user interactions. Let's look at this example. Here we have a website with a button, and let's see what happens when we click this button. Once we click the button, you will see that the page did not refresh, but we had a new element here that was added, a picture of a dog. Let's say we click this again. We get a new dog image, and it's refreshing the page partially. And every time we click this button, it refreshes that section of the page, and we don't see our page having to refresh altogether. Now let's look at the code for this, and we can go step by step on how it works. If we look at the code, we have our title, we have a button, and then we have a div placeholder. All of this is in HTML. Then we have here our JavaScript code, where we're able to abstract the button element, the div element where we're gonna display our data, and then we're just listening for the click of the button. So every time somebody clicks the button, we execute the code that we see right here. In this click of a button, we're doing a fetch request, which is an asynchronous request that we're sending or requesting data from a specific server. In this case, we're requesting data from an API called the dog CEO, and we're requesting a random image. Once we receive the data, we transform it into a JSON object, and then we act on the data that we receive so we can display the part of the website that we want to do. In this case, we're changing the inner HTML of the div to be the image of the dog that we receive. Hope this helps for you to understand more about Ajax and how to use it to be able to refresh partial parts of an application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.